Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Time to win. Golden words said by Dale Carnegie, which I liked. Dr. Ravish Tandon. Your victory is waiting here. Just step in. I sold myself on its superior qualities and ordered it installed. Ralph Emerson, in his essay Self Reliance, stated, "In every work of genius, we recognize our own rejected thoughts. They come back to us with a certain alienated majesty." Colonel Edward M. House wielded an enormous influence in national and international affairs, while Woodrow Wilson occupied the White House. Wilson learned about Colonial House for secret counsel and advice more than he did upon even members of his own cabinet. What method did the colonial use in influencing the president? Fortunately, we know, for House himself revealed it to Arthur D. Horden Smith, and Smith quoted House in an article in the Saturday Evening Post. After I got to know the president, House said, I learned the best way to convert him to an idea was to plant it in his mind casually, but so as to interest him in it, so as to get him thinking about it on his own account. The first time this worked, it was an accident. I had been visiting him to the White House and urged a policy on him with which he appeared to disapprove. But several days later, at the dinner table, I was amazed to hear him throw out my suggestions as his own. Did House interrupt him and say, "That's not your idea, that's mine"? Oh no, not House. It was too adroit for that. He did not care about credit. He wanted result. So he let Wilson continue to feel that the idea was his. House did even more than that. He gave Wilson public credit for these ideas. Let's remember that everyone we came in contact with is just as human as Woodrow Wilson. So let's use Colonial House technique. A man up in the beautiful Canadian province of New Brunswick used this technique on me and won my patronage. I was planning at the time to do some fishing and canoeing in New Brunswick. So I wrote the tourist bureau for information. Evidently, my name and address were put on a mailing list, for I was immediately overwhelmed with scores of letters and booklets and printed testimonials from campers and guides. I was bewildered. I did know which to choose. The magical sentence you should spell daily in life to achieve success. I will do it. Only I can do it. Please subscribe our channel and click on the link given in this description box to listen this full chapter voice in a single clip.